this. Right. So the emergency switch. Couldn't find a word for it. The emergency switch before was where the old choke were, and then this is actually the button to open the trunk. It was electrically locked, so you had to actually push it to unlock the back. Anyways, so this was right there, but we're gonna put it over the other button. And then this one, which came with this that we didn't have before. My plan was to maybe have this as a light switch to put like some LED lights under the car. So if we are on a exhibition, no, not an exhibition. Anyways, then you can have some lights on or something. This is gonna be nice. I test fitted this. It's gonna look great. With all the gauges instead of the ones were cut out here last, so before. No, over here. It was over here.
We do not care.
Cut out from the plastic, but this one is leather, so it's much more nice. But now we're gonna have those here. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna have for the gauges, but it's to measure volt, amp, or something. My grandfather knows more of what we're gonna have here, but I'll show you when when we're putting that in there. And then I'm gonna repaint this and this one, so they're gonna look nice. That's it for now.
3,000 years later.
Right, so I am going to repaint some of this plastic trim for the Gulf. They can definitely look better. Yeah, so I'm going to use some sandpaper, scuff it up, and then some Hagman's plastic primer and matte black. I think you say that. Yeah. It's gonna be good. I did this on my other Golf. It looked good. So I'm gonna keep on doing this. Alright.
Great success.
Whoops.
Access granted.